how rice turns into rice noodles. Do you know how each grain of rice is made into the rice noodles we eat? Rice noodles have a soft, chewy texture and are elastic. The high-quality rice, freshly delivered from a local farm, is thoroughly cleaned to remove impurities. The rice is soaked in clear water for up to 4 hours, providing a good foundation for the next steps in processing. After soaking, the rice is sent to an efficient grinding machine, where it is ground into a fine rice slurry. The fineness of the slurry directly affects the texture and quality of the rice noodles. The mixed rice slurry is poured into burlap bags and subjected to powerful pressure from a hydraulic press. Excess water is quickly squeezed out, forming a firm rice noodle dough. The rice noodle dough is then shaped into cylindrical forms, preparing it for further processing. The rice noodle cylinders are sent into a steamer, where they are steamed to about 30% doneness, with precise control over temperature and time. Next, the dough is placed into a mixer for stirring, ensuring the uniformity and smoothness of the rice noodles. The mixed dough is pressed into thick sheets, enhancing the noodles' texture and elasticity. The dough is rolled up and placed into a copper chute, where it is pressed into thin, long rice noodles to ensure the noodles are fully cooked and have the right texture. The stacks of noodles are placed back into a steaming chamber for further cooking. After steaming, the rice noodles become soft and elastic, while still soft. Workers quickly separate the noodles and cut them into smaller lengths to prevent sticking. The noodles are torn apart and laid out in small bunches, spreading them evenly on racks to air dry at an appropriate temperature and humidity. The noodles gradually dry out, finally, after being carefully weighed. These delicious rice noodles are packaged into bags and ready for sale.